In this video, we will show you how to use the deterrence functions on your Guard Pro camera. The Guard Pro camera comes with two deterrence functions, a siren deterrence and a spotlight deterrence, which can be used on their own individually or at the same time. To access these deterrence functionalities from the home screen, tap the two dots in the top right corner of the Guard Pro camera view you would like to set a deterrence for. Then select Device Details. To enable the siren deterrence, under the alarm settings, tap Alert Tone. Then tap Enable Alarm Linkage. Please note, the siren is very loud, so ensure no one is near the camera when enabling it. Now, whenever the camera detects motion, the siren will go off. To enable Spotlight Deterrence, navigate back to the device details, scroll down to Device Settings, and tap Spotlight. Then tap Enable Alarm Linkage White Light. Now, whenever night vision is enabled and the camera detects motion, the spotlight will flash. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helps you protect what matters most. For more tips and how-to videos, click the subscribe button or visit defendercameras.com.